Hey, what's up everyone? It's Rob from Paragon, and today I'm walking y'all through a super simple install. That is the carbon fiber Z06 intake manifold cover. With just a few minutes of your time, 4 simple bolts, you can have your Z06 engine bay looking fantastic. Let's get into it. All right, so the first step when you open up your intake cover, you are going to have a little handful of hardware. We are going to go through that real quick and get that set up so you are ready to install. You're going to have 2 larger bolts. Those are both 10 millimeters. You are going to also have 2 larger washers. Those 2 washers are going to go on the larger 10 millimeter bolts, leaving us with 2 8 millimeter smaller bolts and their corresponding smaller washers. Those 2 washers are going to go on to the 8 millimeter bolts. So setting this intake on, we are going to start at the front, kind of just lay it back here, ensure that it gets around this engine builder plaque, and our holes just like that should line up. And now we are ready to install the hardware. All right, now that our hardware is ready, starting off with our 2 8 millimeter small bolts and the corresponding washers, we are going to get those started into those smaller holes up here in the front by your engine builder plaque. And once we've got them both started by hand, we can then move on to the larger 10 millimeter bolts. We are going to do those here on the side. Be careful not to drop that. So now that we've got those bolts installed just hand tight, we are going to go back down and fully tighten them. I am using a 8 millimeter little ratchet on the front 2, as well as a 10 millimeter wrench on the backs, just because it's a little harder to get to with those bars there. So let's get those tightened down. And just as a quick reminder, we're not cranking these down, torquing them to anything. We're just making them snug. And there you guys have it. We are completely done with the install. Like I said, 4 bolts, a couple of minutes of your time, and your Z06 engine bay looks fantastic. Now you're ready to get your Corvette to your local car show and show off your new Z06 engine bay with this beautiful carbon fiber intake cover. So thanks so much for watching. I hope this video was useful. Be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. As always, I'm Rob from Paragon, and I'll see you guys in the next video.